Welcome. Are you ready to see one of the most incredible homes you've ever seen? I want you to pause the video. I want you to click the link. I want you to see all of the incredible things because we can't possibly fit it in the video. And then come take a look. Come on in. If you're looking for main level living, this house truly does have it all. It has this huge bedroom with an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. So if you're looking for current main level living, or if you were looking to plan for the future, this is ideal. Can you imagine yourself drinking your cup of coffee, overlooking your just over 2 acres of property and a stunning pool? This is an entertainer's dream, and I know that word is used a lot, but this is in fact true. Look at this quartzite island. It is 10.5 feet deep. It has incredible GE monogram appliances, Brizo fixtures, and absolute stunning custom cabinetry. This redesigned primary bathroom is like none other. They paid attention to every detail. The fixtures are Brizo, and they took the flooring and mimicked it on the ceiling. It is an absolutely perfection of a bathroom. This is a Bain Ultra. If you haven't experienced these, you must once in your life. It is a therapeutic bathtub.